In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Sonic USDT bridge token to your Trust wallet on the web, ensuring you can keep track of all your assets effortlessly. Let's get started with a simple, step-by-step guide to help you navigate through this process smoothly. First things first, you need to open the Trust wallet on your web browser. To do this, simply head over to dashboard.trustwallet.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll spot the option labeled Launch App. Clicking this will open up the application and get you one step closer to reaching your wallet. Now that your Trust Wallet web is open, the next thing you need to do is connect your wallet. Again, you'll need to focus on the top right corner of your screen to find the Connect Wallet button. When you click it, a list of options will appear, but for our purposes, choose Trust Wallet. As a security measure, your browser will prompt you to approve this connection, which is necessary to grant Trust Wallet access to manage your assets. Once you approve the connection, you'll be successfully linked to your account. With your wallet now connected, you should head over to the Assets section. On the left-hand sidebar of the Trust Wallet interface, click on Home. From there, you can scroll through your list of tokens. If you find that scrolling isn't quick enough, there's a handy search icon at the top where you can look up specific tokens by name. To add the Sonic USDT token, you will first need to access the Add Custom Token screen. Begin by clicking on the search icon. When the search results appear, look towards the bottom of the list and you'll see the plus Add Custom Token option. This is where you can customize and add tokens that are not automatically recognized by Trust Wallet. Now, you'll need to enter some specific token details. This form requires you to fill in several pieces of information, starting with selecting the network as Sonic mainnet. If it's not readily available, make a note, as we'll go over how to add it manually a bit later. For the contract address, enter 0x6047828 DC on 863 for Ultra 97480 FFF68 E5 DAF9. The token name should be Sonic USDT with a symbol of USDT in decimals set to 6. Usually after you input the contract address, the other details will fill in automatically. If they don't worry, you can simply enter them manually. When everything is set, click Add Token. You should see a success message and your new token will appear in your Assets tab. If you previously had the Sonic USDT token, but it didn't show up, it will be visible now. For those who find that the Sonic mainnet isn't available in the Trust Wallet browser yet, you can add the network manually. Simply click on Settings, then Networks, followed by Add Network. Enter the following details: network name as Sonic mainnet, chain ID as 146, RPC URL as https://rpc.soniclabs.org, and the currency symbol as Sonic or the native token. Hit the Save. Then you can retry the steps we just covered to add the token. And just like that, you've successfully added the Sonic USDT bridge token to your Trust Wallet on the web. It's as simple as following these steps and your assets are now visible and ready to manage.